All right, welcome everyone. Y'all saw the thumbnail. You know what you're in for today. Got Ultra Magnus. He's not, he's just a repainted Optimus Prime, but he, I don't know if his thermal patch is working or not. Let's find out. Yeah, it changes. I actually did have both of the small fists. I only had one of his big fist. I tried bending his elbows, and they do not want to straighten out, so I'm not going to push that. It doesn't feel good transforming those joints, but they do go. Of course, he's standard white Optimus Prime, and he's got his. Oh, that's what that is. There's a belt buckle in here. Just it gets used as the trailer hitch. So it's got I don't have hot rods downstairs. That's the only car I've got. I got this guy from the other day. Sitting there looking at him, not even thinking about it. Do a mild transformation on him. I don't know. He may not, well, in theory, if he wasn't too wide, in theory, you'll use him to transform a couple of cars. One to go up on top, one down at the bottom. But that's not why y'all are here. You want to see the full-on big guy. So, this thing is. Now you leave. Gotta pop his head over. Close him back up. And then over here, there's a goes out. Separate these guys. Up. Oof, that was traumatic. There it went. Oh yeah, put his belt buckle right back in place. And as I recall, this was supposed to be sort of a drone or something to fly around in. But I don't think I hardly ever took it out of the spot there. And then his hands just go on the pegs, or where his hands would be just go on the pegs. Okay, it would actually be easier to do like that. That sort of holds them in place. Those guys around. Make the big this and this, and we got the rocket launchers here on the side. I should have left that in there. And the rocket launchers, if they ever had a spring that it's sprung. They are not launching anymore. I think it probably looks better. I thought they were locking in place though. Okay. And last but not least, pop his head on. And you got Ultra Magnus. Let's say he was. I think the reason he's mostly complete is because he was later generations, and I didn't get a whole lot of playtime with him, so I didn't have a chance to break anything on him. As you can see, a little bit of yellowing on the gun and But that's only on that one, well, and a little bit back here. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera or not, but that's slightly less yellow than over there. Fun little guy. Big guy. And you know, seems like I used him a little bit just as a, you know, the car transport thing. You know, I was too naive to realize he's just, you know, they just reuse the same mold of Optimus Prime so they could you know, sell more copies of him. But anyway, there he is. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because it's going to keep going for a while yet. I got all kinds of goodies yet that I haven't even scraped the surface of. So, that being said, have a good one. See you next time. Bye.